What's up guys, it's Ari here and I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be a huge unboxing. The title, you know that this is going to be an unboxing for my new MacBook plus something else. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So before I start, no, I'm not trying to brag or anything like that, like no, pretty much I needed a computer for school, and so I wanted to get a Mac. I actually ended up getting two things from Apple. I will show what this is at the end, so stay tuned. And all right, let's just get started. So this is the MacBook I got. Oh my gosh, of course. This is the MacBook I got. I got the gold MacBook Air. Y'all, I am so lit right now. Okay, they said this mug is low-key heavy, so let's try. There we go. We got it. Alright, so let's open it. Everything is gold on here. Alright, cool. You see my name. Cool. Everybody smells it. I don't know why. I just decided to smell it. Alright. Alright, let's shimmy it out of here without breaking it. Oh my gosh. So I actually got the this is the brand new 13-inch MacBook Air. I bought it from Apple. Oh my gosh. Let's set this aside for a second. Alright, so just in the box what they have is they have the instructions. I'm wanting to see. Comes with instructions. And it has the gold stickers. Like I've seen it like so many unboxings, but it has the gold stickers. I just want to make sure it has the gold stickers. Then it just has this, I think it's a charging cable. I forgot exactly what they said, but this is the charging cable. And then lastly in the box is just the box for the MacBook. So let's just open it. Sorry, that was not aesthetically pleasing. So it just has this thought. So a lot of people said I guess they were supposed to be bigger, so they're smaller now, which I like. So boring stuff aside, let's open it. All right. Oh, hi. Hey. Y'all, this is so unreal. It's open. So they said this is gold, but this is definitely rose gold. Like, don't let it fool you. It's rose gold. Okay, so let's open the screen. Just like they did in the unboxing. That's like, this. It's turning on. It's turning on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So this one actually has the touch bar, so when I set that up I'll show you guys. Oh, this is great. This is unbelievable. Y'all don't know how hard I worked to get this. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set it up and then I'll come back. English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Return? Apple actually was doing this deal for a college student. If you buy a new MacBook from their store, you get a free pair of Beats, and so that is what I did. I got a free pair of Beats. So this is what they look like. I got the what color is this? Desert sand to match my laptop. Also, it just looks really cute. They have like blue and space gray and like black and red and stuff, but I wanted these because they are really cute. Yo, I am so lit. I've never had Beats before. My brother, he has had them. I think he's the only one out of us who ever had them, or maybe my oldest brother had them as well. But I remember he was like the first one to have like the very first ones that came out, and like I wanted some like this year, but I didn't really ask for them because I was like, I don't really need them. Look, the packaging is so nice. Like, you know, Beats, they were like really in style and they got out of style. Now they're back in style. So change the way you hear sound. Honey, I'm about to change it. I'm about to test these out when I go to the gym. Cool. Alright, this looks like an egg, like a baby's in here. So I got a case. Ooh, the case smells good. It smells so good. There's nothing else in the box, by the way, just to let y'all know. Here they are. So how do you charge them? Oh, they smell like a new car. They have that new car smell. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. Oh, I do not regret not going with the blue. I definitely don't regret it. These are extremely cute. No, there's some. Yeah, there's something else. Ow! Ow! Oh my gosh, I just stabbed myself in the eye. Hello? 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 Oh, okay. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Oh my gosh, I guess the picture, oh, it's actually pretty charged. Wow, I expected it to be dead, you know, but it's not. You have all your stuff down here. Oh, y'all, this is ridiculous. I just can't believe that I cannot figure out how to get this out because I know it's in there. You know, sometimes I just really wonder what be going through my mind. There's a little tab. So let's unbox. Ooh, that new car smell. So what first comes in here is this little pamphlet thing. I actually don't know what it is. I've never watched an unboxing about this. Ooh. Beats. So I guess it's just like how to, ooh, you get a sticker. And then they have like the wire that, I was like, but they have a wire that connects to the Beats as well. Ooh, it's the same color, yes. And then they have a little keychain. Ooh, keychain that says Beats. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but it's there. Okay, so you can charge these things in within 10 minutes. That's what this is. That's what this is saying. So I guess this is the charger, and that's the rest of the stuff in the box. So thank you for watching me struggle with that so much. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so very proud of myself because I worked so hard to get this MacBook, and I'm just happy I finally paid off, and so I'll be ready for college when it comes down 2 more weeks, baby. But yeah, so, and now also I have headphones, so when I go to the gym I don't look weird. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on all my social medias down below. I forgot to mention I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 p.m. so definitely tune into my channel so you guys will know. And yeah, okay, bye.